more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the next practice set 3.4 of the chapter Arithmetic Progression, Mathematics First Standard 10. Now, this is word problem mean that application base of this AP and SL, mean that TN and ESL. Now, we take the first question of this practice set 3.4. The question is, on 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on 2nd day, rupees 12 on 3rd day, and so on. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what will be her total saving? म्हणजे पहिल्या दिवशी तिने पहिल्या 1st जानेवारीला 10 रुपये सेव्ह केले, 2nd जानेवारीला 11 rupees, 3rd जानेवारीला 12 rupees. After this 31st December, what will be the saving? We have to find here. Now student, this is a sequence here because first day is 10 rupees, second day is 11, 12. This is a sequence. Now in this sequence, the difference between two consecutive terms is always constant here. So that this is an AP. Then how to solve it? Look carefully. Now the solution of this question is Sanika saves rupees 10 on the first day, rupees 11 on the second day, rupees 12 on the third day. Therefore 10, 11, 12 dash is a sequence. It is sequence. Now first we have to find out its common difference. D is equals to T2 minus T1. 11 minus 10 is equals to 1. Then again D is equals to T3 minus T2 is equals to 12 minus 11 is equals to 1. Therefore here is the common difference, which is the constant, Therefore the sequence 10, 11, 12 dash are in AP. Now then, if the sequence is in AP, therefore A is the first term is 10 and D is the common difference is 1. Here is student, the year 2016 is a leap year. Therefore the year 2016 was leap year. All of you know that in leap year there are 366 days. Therefore, a leap year has 366 days. Therefore, the value of n is 366. We know that the formula, we have to find out sum here, means that Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket twice C plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Substitute this value, means that S 366 is equals to 366 upon 2 in bracket 2 into A is 10. First term is 10 plus 366 minus 1 into D is always here 1. When we divide it, then 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. Here is 20 plus, this one is 365 into 1 is 365. When we are adding it, 183 into this addition becomes 385. Now student, I have to find out this product here. 183 Now we take here 3 5s are 15 carries 1, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 is 25 carries 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11. Then here is 0, 8 5s are 40 carries 4, 8 8s are 64 plus 8 is 68, 6 carry 8 3s are 24 plus 6 is 30. Then again take 0 here, then 5 1s are 5, 8 1s are 8 and 3 1s are 3. Now student, when we adding it, we get that 5 as it is, then always 5 here, 9 plus 5 becomes 14, carries 1, 9, 10, carries 1, 3, 6 plus 1 is 7. Means that, therefore, sum of these 366 terms is equals to 70,455. Now, therefore, the total saving, what will be her saving? Therefore, answer, the total saving of Sanika in the year 2016 is or was 70,455. Can you understand this? We take the next question. Let's take the question number 2. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agreed to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360. म्हणजे त्याने 8,000 रुपये घेतले आणि किती इंटरेस्ट द्यायचे ठरवलं, व्याज 1,360 रुपये इन 12 मंथ, म्हणजे 12 महिन्यात इन्स्टॉलमेंट्स, हप्त्यामध्ये. Each installment being less than preceding one by rupees 40, म्हणजे प्रत्येक हप्ता हा पहिल्यापेक्षा 40 ने लेस होता. Find the amount of the first and the last installment, म्हणजे पहिल्या आणि शेवटच्या इन्स्टॉलमेंटची अमाउंट किती ही आपल्याला काढायची, म्हणजे A ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आणि TN ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. Now student, here the total amount repaid, first we have to find the solution. The total, the amount repaid is equals to, he borrows rupees 8,000 and interest at rupees 1,360. Therefore, total amount is, when we adding it, 9,360 rupees. Okay. Here is number of installment is 12 monthly installment, means that number of installments. Number of installment means is equals to how much? Here is 12. Then means that here is n is equals to 12. Sn is given here. Amount repaid means that Sn is equals to S12. N is 12 here. Is equals to 9,360. Now student, each installment being less than preceding one by 40 rupees, means that here I will write each installment being less than preceding one by rupees 40, means that this is the value of the D. Therefore, D is equals to how much? Minus 40. Now student, this is an AP and AP. Therefore, here is A is the first term. We have to find out. N is 12, D is minus 40, Sn is also given. So we know that the formula. Therefore, Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 into D. This is formula. We have to use this formula to solve this example. Sn is given here. S12 is 9,360. Therefore, S12 is equals to 12 upon 2 in bracket twice A 6 goes to denominator. 9360 upon 6 is equals to twice a plus minus minus 11 fours are 44. Mean that 440. Then simplification of this one is 6 ones are 6 carries 3 becomes 33. 6 5s are 30 carries 3. 6 6 are and 0 as it is. This convert as plus is equals to twice a. Then the addition is 0 10 carries 1. 9 plus 1 is again 10 carries 1. 2 is equals to twice a. Therefore a is equals to 2000 upon these 2. Mean that value of a is equals to 1000. Mean that first installment is mean that first he paid 1000 rupees. Now student, we have to find out the last installment. This is the first installment. Then we have to find out last installment. Mean that we know that there is the last installment. The last installment. Tn is equals to question. Therefore, the formula for Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into t. Tn you have to find here, mean that T12 here. So that last installment mean that the 12 monthly mean that T12 is equals to a is 1000 plus 12 minus 1 into d is minus 40. Therefore T12 is equals to this is 1000 plus this is 11 into minus 40 becomes here directly right here minus 440. Now student, we take the subtraction of this one so that T12 is equals to, this is so simple one is from this 1000 we have to subtract 440, it becomes 560. Now the answer in full sentence. Therefore the first installment is, find the amount of the first and last installment. Therefore answer in full sentence, the first installment is rupees 1000 and the last installment is rupees 560. Can you understand this? We take the next question. Let's see the next question, question number 3rd. Sachin invested rupees 5000 for the first year, rupees 7000 for the second year, rupees 9000 in third year in National Saving Certificate. National Saving Certificate मध्ये सचिनने एवढी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केली प्रत्येक वर्षाला स्कीम. How much amount did he invested in 12 years? How many years here? 12 years. Now student, this sequence is an AP where A is the first term is 5000. The common difference between each value is 2000, in that D is 2000, N is 12. We have to find out its sum. Now its solution is the amount invested by Sachin is rupees 5000, rupees 7000, rupees 9000 is a sequence. With student here with common difference. Difference is here is 2000. Mean that therefore this is an AP. AP means arithmetic progression, where A is how much? 5000. D is 2000. Then N is yes 12. Therefore the formula is that Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. Student, we have to put the values here. Therefore S12 is equals to 12 upon 2 in bracket twice into A is 5000 plus n minus 1 is n is 12 minus 1 into d is 2000. Then the simplification is 6 in bracket 5000 into 2 is 10000 plus 11 into 2000. 11 into 2000 is, first I would write here one step, then this value becomes 6 in bracket 10000 plus this is 22000. When we are adding it becomes how much? 6 into 32000. When we multiply it, the 0 as it is, then 6 2s are 12, carries 1, 6 3s are 18, plus 1 is 90. Mean that yes, 12 is equals to 1,92,000. This is the amount which is Sachin invested in 12 years. So the answer in full sentence, answer, Sachin invested rupees 1,92,000 in 12 years. Can you understand this? Thank you very much.